Good morning, creators. This is Nasdaq Godfather. I'm Shoshan Bits of Forex, the kingpin of all straight 2000 followed by lead Nasdaq. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. So this morning, guys, I just wanted to start like at the very bottom into trading. You understand? I need you guys to understand this is actually like a beginner's course. So if you're actually new in trading, feel free to actually stay in this video, watch till the end. And if you're actually new to our YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified once we upload. And if you have questions after this video which you want me to actually elaborate more on your questions on our next video, feel free to actually text on our comment section, and any question that you actually have I will answer on our next video. You understand? So now guys, let's focus on the beginner's course that I have for you today. So this is introduction into trading indices. Okay, so whenever you trade, guys, I need you guys for you to actually, before you even start trading, I need you guys to understand why are you told to trade a certain pay. You understand? Not just because you trade gold, just because like your favorite trader is actually trading gold and is making thousands out of it. You understand? Now you also wanna trade gold. You understand? No, you need to understand why is gold moving in a certain ways, so you know how to approach it. You understand? You know what to expect from the market at the course of the day. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's just focus on the main three pairs of indices. You understand? So yeah, guys, so let us just start with US30. So US30, also known as Dow Jones, is a stock market that measures the performance of 30 largest US companies like Nike, Apple, Coca-Cola, or Microsoft. So yeah, guys, if you can actually check on the internet today, you'll find out that like Microsoft is one of the most highest selling companies in US30 today. You understand? So if something happens to Microsoft, today, like you'll find that the market, like although Nike, Apple, or Coca-Cola are actually making like a beautiful progress, like in terms of their companies, but you'll find that only Microsoft is falling out. You'll find that the market will give us like small manipulations, like spikes and manipulations of selling. You understand? Like for example, maybe you were seeing a beautiful buy, you understand, which you actually entered, but due to what happened to Microsoft today, the market is actually going to take your small account out. You understand? For example, maybe you have like your beautiful strategy of entering like sniper entries, and you just entered with a 500 rand account on US 30 0.01 lots. You understand? So you find out that you're actually going to blow your account. So the market is going to give you like a small manipulation with the wick, and the market, after you have blown your account, the market is actually going to take the right direction. Why? It's because Microsoft was affected. You understand? So since Microsoft was affected and it's now one of the highest, no, it's not even one of the, it's actually the highest selling company in US30 today. You understand? It will impact US30 positively, or negatively. You understand? So another thing, it says here US30 has 30 largest US companies. You understand? So we only mentioned Nike, Apple, Coca-Cola, or Microsoft. Do you understand? So these are not only the companies, but these are the highest impactful companies that impact US 30. You understand? And that's one of these are actually the highest selling companies in US 30 today. You understand? So if something would happen to these companies, you understand? Let's say, for example, Apple decides to launch a new phone. You understand? You'll find that like okay, the market will actually give us like beautiful setups taking up to the upside. You understand? Or for example, fundamentals. As soon as the news come out, you understand? So as soon as they announce, as soon as Apple actually decides to announce a new phone, you understand? You start seeing that okay, US 30 will be giving us like beautiful fundamental. Like the market will be like very like volatile, very volatile. You understand? Going to the upside. Why? It's because Apple decides to launch a new phone. So for you to actually catch those kind of news, feel free to actually download the CNBC app. You understand? CNBC app or investing.com. You understand? So goes to those websites. They will actually update you on what's going to happen, all the news updates and everything. You understand? So as soon as the notification pops in from your CNBC news, app, you'll find out that as soon as it tells you that Apple is about to launch a new phone or Apple decides to launch a new phone today, you start seeing that US30 will be behaving abnormal. You understand? So you're moving furthermore to NAS100. So NAS100, NAS100 is a symbol for Nasdaq 100 index that consists 100 largest non-financial companies listed on Nasdaq exchange by the market capitalization. You understand? So NAS 100 contains companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Facebook. You understand? So you actually find out that like since US 30 actually consists 30 largest companies, Nasdaq consists 100 companies, you understand, from the US. And you actually sometimes find out that uh, Nasdaq and US30 are actually sharing some companies, you understand. Like, for example, Microsoft. We have Microsoft on US30, we have Microsoft on Nasdaq. We have Microsoft on Apple, we have no, we have excuse me, we have Apple on US30, we have Apple on Nasdaq, you understand. So yeah, guys, and you will find out that like the first highest uh, most selling company in the US, it's Microsoft, and the second most selling company in the US, it's Apple. You understand? So these two companies today are the most impactful companies in the US today. You understand? So that's why most of the time you find out that US 30 and Nasdaq they're actually moving in same directions. You understand? For example, maybe if USDT will buy today and you see a beautiful buying setup on USDT as well, you should see like a beautiful buying setup. You understand? Like it's very very rare seeing USDT and Nasdaq taking opposite direction besides if maybe if it's fundamental because sometimes it's fundamental news, sometimes USDT will buy and Nasdaq would sell, you understand, but in most cases it takes the similar directions. Why? It's because like the two main companies in the US are shared by USDT and Nasdaq. So like the most impactful companies that are involved in moving these two pairs, it's Microsoft and Apple. You understand? So if something would happen to these two companies, something would actually very bad or very good, something will happen depending on which direction you actually took. You understand? But something would happen to yeah US30 and Nasdaq. So moving furthermore to the downside. So now we're actually focusing on German 30. You understand? So German 30 is a symbol for DAX index, which is a stock market index that measures the performance of 30 largest, most liquid German companies. You understand? That trade on the stock exchange. You understand? So German 30 deals with companies like Adidas, BMW, and Volkswagen. You understand? So sometimes you actually find out that like people actually call their BMW cars German machine. You understand why? It's because German machine belong like BMW belongs to Germany. You understand? German 30. You understand? So all those kind of vehicles like Volkswagen and BMW, you understand? Like impact German 30. You understand? So like guys like they're side by sided, you understand, by German 30. So if something would happen to these companies, you understand, these are the main companies because we cannot be mentioning all those few. Like there are a lot of companies in German 30, you understand, that about 30, but they're no longer 30, they're actually 40, you understand, because right now German 30 is now called German 40, not German 30, but most brokers haven't changed that as well, you understand. So German 30 consists 40 companies, you understand, that are actually involved in moving this pay. You understand? So now let us move furthermore to the psychology into trading. You understand? So psychology into trading. This is something like most traders do not pay attention to. Especially, it's like people be ignoring, choosing to neglect this side of trading. You understand? Because like a lot of people would never would want to admit that they're suffering from psychology into trading. You understand? Like a lot of traders think that if you know how to analyze, if you got the skill, if you got the strategy, there's nothing else you need. You're just going to bag out a lot of profit, which is absolutely not true. You understand? For you to actually be profitable, for you to actually make money out of the foreign, out of the market, you need to master psychology into trading. forex. You understand? You need to you need to understand the psychology into trading. You understand? So yeah, guys, let me try and elaborate more into trading. You understand? Into trading with emotions. So emotions, ne? So emotions are feelings that arise from the outcome of a trade, such as fear, greed, excitement, or anger. So these factors can affect a trader's judgment or risk management. You understand? So let's say, for example, okay, let's start talking about fear. You understand? So sometimes you analyze maybe, for example, you only have like 500 rand on your account, and this is like your savings. You understand? You've been saving for this opportunity, and you've been back testing your strategy. You understand? You've been back testing your strategy, and it's been working. You understand? So now you decide to take you now decide to actually take action into trading with a real account, with a live account, and you decide to fund. Now you wanna make real money. You understand? You no longer wanna use broker. You no longer wanna use demo. You understand? You now use uh a real account. You understand? Since now you have back tested your strategy on a demo account, and it's been making you like a lot of money. You understand? So now fear comes in when you have made a beautiful setup, you have analyzed everything, but now you do not want to enter. You know, suddenly you do not want to enter. You're now scared. You understand? And now you just be like, nah, let me not trade. You understand? Let me not trade, and the market actually decides to take you the right direction, and now you'll be punching the wall and saying, if I entered, you understand, I would have had profits. You understand? That's fear. You understand? And sometimes fear leads you in a good way and in a bad way, because that was a bad way. Why? Because you would have made profits out of it. You understand? But sometimes you have fear. You understand? And now you see that the market would have taken you out. You understand? So now uh, fear is actually leading you into good direction. You understand? So, but what happens? ne- So what happens when now there's greed? All right. So now there's greed. So you're now greedy into trading. You understand? What are we talking about whenever we're talking about greed? We're talking about, for example, you funded 500 rand account. You have a 500 rand account. Now I have given you a signal. 10 seconds later, it's in profits. You understand? You have a thousand rand profits from a 500 rand account. You have a thousand rand profits, meaning you have already doubled your account. You understand? You have already doubled, tripled you actually have tripled your account. You understand? Because now, no, let's say you have 1.5, because like that's the target from 500 rand account. That's the target reposition 500 rand each. That's yeah, yeah, that's beautiful. That's 1,500. You understand? 500 rand each. You understand? So now you have funded 500 rand in you seeing 1.5, and just because you saw Nestor Godfather posting a profit of a 2,000 rand account, now you are waiting for a 2,000 rand account on your side as well. That's greedy. You have already tripled your account. What are you looking for? Cause like the target, like whenever you're trading, guys, whenever you're trading, you need to have a target of doubling your account. Double your account. You understand? That's the target that you need to have. Double your account. Double whatever you risk. You understand? Because what's the point of you uh finding 500 rand and closing a profit of 300 rand? You understand? And tomorrow you're going to fund 500 rand again. So when you fund 500 rand again and you blow in your account, so what have you made? 300 rand. You understand? That's a loss. That's a loss. So now you're going to fund that 300 rand, and the market is still going to take you right direction. But before it even takes the direction, it has to take the 300 rand account out. You understand? So now you have lost a lot of money. You understand? So that's what you need to understand when terms of greed. You should never be greedy. You need to double your account. Once you see double your account, whenever you feel as if you want to screenshot, you feel as if you want to screenshot your profits, just close. Screenshot and close. You understand? What's the point of you screenshotting and holding? What are you waiting for? From a thousand rand account, you're waiting for a million rand. You understand? So now we are actually going to be talking about excitement. You understand? So now excitement, it's when you are overexcited. You have been making profits. day by day. You understand? Every day, all day, you've been making profits. Well, every day you've been doubling your account. You understand? And it's now the end of the day, and you're overexcited. Your strategy has been making you like a lot of money. So now you decide to fund your full. You decide to you fund with your full profits. You understand? So let's say, for example, maybe last week you made 10,000 rand. From a 1,000 rand account, you made 10,000 rand weekly. You understand? So now you're just going to take that 10,000 on your next week. You're just going to fund all of it on NFP, expecting to see 50,000. You understand? That's when you actually blow your account. Why? Because you were overexcited. You understand? You were on your comfort zone. So that's what I do not like whenever I'm talking to traders. It's when they're actually on their comfort zone. You should never be comfortable whenever you are trading. You understand? Whenever you see as if no, you're now excited. You understand? You have been making a lot of money. You understand? Don't trade. Relax. Don't trade. Relax. Even if you're making a lot of money, let the market breathe. Why? Because now you'll be overexcited. Now you'll be over trading. You understand? Even if you do not see a setup, but just for a security, you have been making a lot of money. Now you wanna over trade. You're overexcited. You end up blowing your account. And now we are about to talk like about the main devil himself, anger. Yo, guys. You know when we're talking about anger, psychology into trading. Like this is the main enemy, anger. It's when you have blown your account, but just for a sake, you still have money on your dashboard. You're going to fund again, and you're going to blow again. You understand why? Because the market, you are now angry. You now want to fight. Remember, guys, the market has no feelings. You have a feeling. You understand? The market, even if it loses 20,000 a day, you understand? Nothing happens to it. But if you lose 10,000 rand, not even 10, 5, you will be angry at yourself. You understand? You will be angry at yourself. You understand? So you should never revenge trade, guys. You should never like, yo, guys. That's the biggest mistake. Like even if the market would have taken your direction, but just for the sake you wanted to revenge trade. You should never revenge trade. Just close it. As soon as the market actually blows, the market actually takes you out. Never trade. Do not trade. Close the account. You understand? You'll see the market the following day, or you see the market on the following setup. You understand? So yeah, guys, right, so like for example, if you actually entered a buy, you understand? You entered a buy and the market actually takes you out with a manipulation, you understand? So with that manipulation, now you see that the market is to go up, I'm funding again. The market goes down with you again, and the market has already blown you another account in a single trade on a single direction. You know, so you have already blown two accounts, which you should never allow. Like you should never allow that to happen to you. You understand? So yeah, guys. So now another thing that a lot of traders do not talk about often enough, and which is actually one of the main enemies that I like to call themselves, it's external pressure. External pressures are factors and comments coming from people who do not believe in this industry and your financial situation. Okay, so it can be social influence. This can actually affect a trader to lose interest, lose focus, lack of motivation. You understand? So, whenever we are talking about external pressure, we are talking about when a trader actually gets negative thoughts from people. You understand? People come to you with their own opinions from their own failures in trading. You understand? So some people will actually say that okay, just because I have blown an account, I couldn't make it into trading. Forex is actually a scam. You understand? No, just because you couldn't make it doesn't mean that another person cannot make it. You understand? So like a lot of people actually at my time, they told me that like forex was a scam, including my friends, family, and all those type of things. But when I made it, they would actually be like, no, like how is this even possible? You understand? Why? It's because like everyone thought that no, it was a scam. You could never make it. Forex needs you to have a lot of money for you to actually start trading, for you to actually start making a lot of money from it, but which it's actually not true. You understand? I went there and I was like, nah, let me find out for myself. You understand? All those opinions that you guys have about this industry, I want to experience them myself. You understand? So I went there and I kicked ass. But no, we're not there. You understand? So now we're just going to focus on trading timetable. So guys, this is actually my trading timetable because another person actually texted me on Instagram and was like, when do I trade? When should they expect my signals? You understand? So now guys, I need you guys to write this down and put it on your phones as reminders. You understand? So for you to actually expect signals from me, you should expect fixed signals at London session. So London session opens at 9 a.m. in the morning, South African times. You understand? So I usually trade German 30. You understand? I only trade German 30 on London sessions, and New York sessions I trade US 30 and Nasdaq. You understand? Write this down. I'll repeat. London session you trade German 30 and US 30, since it actually opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 5. You understand? So you from 9 a.m. in the morning till 5 p.m. in the afternoon, you'll be trading German 30 and US 30, not Nasdaq. And on New York session, you'll be trading Nasdaq and US 30 from 4 in the afternoon up till midnight. You understand? Half past 12 South African time. So yeah, guys, that's about it with our video, guys. This is the end of the video, and yeah, guys, like I need you guys to actually understand everything that I actually explained here today. Like this will be like very helpful for everyone, you understand? So yeah, guys, that's about it. That's the end of our video, guys. So feel free to actually like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified. And if you actually need something, you need me to actually elaborate something, feel free to actually hit the comment section down below. So this is Mr. Godfather. I'm Shishim Forex, the kingpin of Wall Street, who doesn't follow but lead. Nasdaq signing out. Thank